Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We could have quite a red day today for two reasons. First of all, it's a long weekend. We've got no show on Monday. The market is closed on Monday, but that's not the big reason. The big reason is, on top of a huge rally, we've had a huge rally, all-time highs for the S&P, but no, that still isn't the reason. This is the reason. Have you tapped the like button? Have you subscribed? Okay, then I'll tell you. This is the reason why we'll probably get a red day today, particularly on the bell. PPI, producers' prices for final demand in the US were up 0.3 month over month in January, the biggest increase in 5 months, following a 0.1 decline in December, and compared to forecasts of 0.1. Cost of services rose 0.6, the largest increase since July, led by a 2.2 gain in prices for hospital outpatient care, cost of chemicals and allied products wholesaling, machinery and equipment wholesaling, portfolio management, traveler accommodation services, and legal services also moved higher. On the other hand, prices of goods declined 0.2, the fourth consecutive drop led by 3.6 fall in gas. Prices for electric power, hay seeds, oil seeds, beef and veal, ethanol, and iron and steel scrap also moved lower. Year on year, producer prices rose 0.9, slightly less than 1% in December, but above expectations. So there's some good news in there and there's some bad news in there. But because we've got a long weekend and because we've got such a rally recently, this is some negativity, right? There could be some selling off of the markets. Now, that's great. That suits me because I want to own more. All right. We all want to own more of what we want to invest in. So for me, I got no more money on hand until the 21st of February when I get paid from YouTube. So I'm hoping that we get a 10% drop. And if we do, I'll buy more. Because what does that mean if we get a 10 or 20 or 30% drop? As we've made new to all-time highs, they will come back again. Because over history, since the beginning of time on the stock market, if we set new highs and then we have a pullback, a sell-off, macro conditions, a crash, COVID, wars, whatever, we go down dramatically, but we always come back more than we were before. So if you're in certain stocks with high risk, certain stocks with high debt, they're going to drop today. Things like Virgin Galactic, of course, I would expect. Should we have a quick look at that and let's see if I'm right? Yeah, Virgin Galactic is down 2.6%. So we can see that. But for stocks without debt, it won't be as badly affected. But stocks with debt, they'll get pummeled today. Things like FFIE and Mullen and all these things will get absolutely destroyed today. However, this is great if you're an investor, because you can buy the dip and then it will rise back above where it is today or where it was before we got this news out. So it's good news potentially. I like the red days. The red days is when I make money. The green days, I just sit and look at it and go, well, that looks nice. That's about it. So there you go. There's the breaking news today. Click above my head for more information down below in the description, over here and over here. And if you look down here, you'll find my music channel. I'm the World Piano Man. I have a concert tonight. I have tributes every day, special music. Go and check me out because I have another voice, a singing voice with a piano. You might want to go and check that out. And today, for the very first time, we are streaming in 4K. Click underneath the video, look at the cogs, set it to 4K, and hopefully you can now watch me on a giant TV screen in your house. We aim to be the best, always providing the best services, the best quality, and the most honest, most live channel on YouTube TV and Rumble. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.